EV extension cable. EV is compatible with 16 amp and 32 amp. The adapter Type 1 is SAEJ1772 female. Type 2 is IEC 62196 male. It is convenient for American standard vehicles to charge on European standard charging power supply. The protection rate of EV Type 2 is IP54. It can work in the condition of -30 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. For the case material, it's thermoplastic, the flame retardant grade UL94 V0. Anti-flaming, pressure resistant, and abrasion resistance. The adapter goes with a 1-year warranty and lifelong technical support.